Hello everyone. In this video, let's discuss how to remove the null production in the given question. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe for more engineering related topics. Now let's consider the first question. So here the first step is to find the null. So null means epsilon. Where epsilon will be there? So find the epsilon. So here if you see, B is producing epsilon and capital letter C is producing epsilon. Now what we must do is, we must remove the epsilon from each of the production one by one. So now let's remove epsilon, that is the null production, from capital letter B. So in the next step, let's remove it from capital letter C. So after the removal of the epsilon from the capital letter B, what will be my answer? So you just write all of them similar only. S dash give rise to S hashtag, S producing ABC, A producing small a, small b, small d and capital letter D. Here when you approach B, because you are removing the epsilon from the B, so if you remove epsilon from B, only small letter A is left. So small letter A. Next, C is producing B slash epsilon. Here we are removing the epsilon from only capital letter B. So I wrote B slash epsilon. Next, D producing small letter C, small letter D. Now what you must do is, since you removed the epsilon from the capital letter B, search for the capital letter B in the right hand side. In right hand side, you can see here capital letter B is there. What you must do? You must do the another projection so that capital letter B will be not there. So if you remove capital letter B, only A and capital letter C is left. So this is the step. What you must do? You must remove the epsilon and write all of them as it is. After that, from whom you are removing? From B you are removing. Search for the B in the right hand side and remove that capital letter B, and whatever will be left, it will be the new projection. Now we remove the epsilon or the null projection from B. Now we must remove it from the capital letter C. So after removal of epsilon, that is null projection, from capital letter C. So write all of them similar using this one. So S dash producing S hashtag, S producing A, B, capital letter C, A, capital letter C, A producing small letter A, B, B, capital letter D, B producing small letter A. When you approach C, now you must remove the epsilon from the C. So if you remove epsilon from C, only small letter B will be left. Here D producing small letter C, next small letter D. What you must do, since you removed the epsilon from the capital letter C, you must search for the capital letter C in the right hand side. So if you see in the right hand side, capital letter C is here, capital letter C is here at the two times. What you must do, if you remove the capital letter C from here, only capital letter A and B will be the lefting. Only the capital letter A and B will be left, that will act as another projection. And here if you remove capital letter C, only A will be left. Now you are done with the question, that is the removal of the null production from the given question. Now let's jump on to the second question. So in the second question also, what is my first step? First search for the epsilon. So if you search for epsilon, epsilon is here and here. At two times epsilon is there. So who is the producer of epsilon? B and C. So write S and A same. First step, let's remove the epsilon, that is null projection, from the B. So after removal of epsilon from capital letter B, S will be producing A, B, C slash C, B, B slash B, A. Next A will be producing small letter D, A slash B, C. Next B will be producing, here we are removing the epsilon from B. So GC, only GC will be left out here. So GC will be left out, epsilon will be removed. Next capital letter C is producing HA slash epsilon. Here we wrote epsilon because in the next step we will be removing epsilon from capital letter C. Now since we remove the epsilon from the capital letter B, we will be searching for capital letter B in the right hand side. Here capital letter B will be here capital letter B is there. So if you remove capital letter B from this projection, only capital letter C will be left. Here if you remove the capital letter B from here, A and C will be left. If you remove the capital letter B from here, capital letter C, small letter B will be left. If you remove the capital letter B from here, only small letter A will be left. Now we are done with the removal of the epsilon, that is the null projection from the capital letter B. Now let's move on for the capital letter C. So after removal of epsilon from the capital letter C, so first write all of them same. So S producing ABC slash CBB slash BA slash AC slash CB slash A. Next A producing DA slash BC slash C. Next B producing small letter G small letter C. Next capital letter C will be producing HA, and another projection is the epsilon. Since we remove the epsilon, only HA will be the projection which will be produced by the capital letter C. Now what you must do, after the removal of epsilon, you must search for the capital letter C in the right hand side. If you see in right hand side, here capital letter C is there. If you remove the capital letter C, only capital letter B will be left. Here capital letter C is there. If you remove also, nothing will be left. So write as it is. Next, here capital letter C is there. If you remove that capital letter C, A, B will be left. Here capital letter C is there. If you remove that, small b, capital B will be left. Here if you remove the capital letter C, only capital letter A will be left. If you remove the capital letter C here, small letter B will be left. So we removed all the null projection in the given question. What is your first step? To find the epsilon and who is the producer of that epsilon. One by one, you must solve the epsilon by removing the epsilon from that projection. After the removal of the epsilon from that projection, you must search who is the producer. Here B was the producer of the epsilon. What we did? We searched for the capital letter B in the right hand side and removed that capital B and formed the another projection without having the capital letter B. So like this, if you solve the problem, the removal of the null projection problem will be solved much easierly. Hope you understood the concept of removing the null projection. If you have any doubt, please comment below. If you liked the video, please subscribe for more engineering related topics. Thank you.